Does Free Fire keep loading on your iPhone? Hi there, if you're experiencing issues with the loading screen on Free Fire, here are some steps you can try to resolve the issue. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check the internet connection to solve loading issues. You can switch your mobile data to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi data to mobile, or you can enable airplane mode for 30 seconds and turn it off. Solution 2. Restart the game. Close Free Fire entirely and reopen it. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix temporary loading issues. You can remove the game from your background. After that, restart your device. Now reopen the game. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out Free Fire app. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Uninstall and reinstall the app. If the loading screen issues persist, uninstall Free Fire and reinstall it from the official App Store. This can help fix any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. After following these steps, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.